Hello my dear friends, welcome back to CSIR at home. Pyridoxine, it is known as vitamin B6, which is the coenzyme forms of vitamin B6, that is pyridoxine, pyridoxal and pyridoxamine, and which is active form, that is pyridoxal phosphate, PLP. Pyridoxal phosphate is the active form of vitamin B6. Recommended daily allowance. It is 1 to 2 milligram per day. For pyridoxine, recommended daily allowance is 1 to 2 milligram per day. Now we can look what are the sources of vitamin B6. Yeast, cereals, legumes, egg, milk, meat and fish. Green leafy vegetables are also a good source of vitamin B6. Functions of vitamin B6, which is the active form we have studied, that is pyridoxal phosphate. So, this pyridoxal phosphate acts as a coenzyme for many reactions in amino acid metabolism that we can study. Transamination. Transamination reactions are catalyzed by aminotransferases. And this enzyme, that is aminotransferases, need PLP as coenzyme. And next is decarboxylation. All decarboxylation reactions of amino acid require PLP as coenzyme. For example, for the conversion of histidine into histamine, need PLP as a coenzyme. And for the conversion of glutamate into GABA, GABA is known as gamma aminobutyric acid. Okay, this gamma aminobutyric acid is known as GABA. And for this conversion, PLP is needed. Sulfur containing amino acid. Pyridoxal phosphate plays an important role in methionine and cysteine metabolism. For example, for the formation of cystathionine, this enzyme is needed. PLP is needed. Homocysteine combines with serine to form cystathionine. Here, PLP plays an important role. Okay. So, this reaction for the conversion of this homocysteine into cystathionine need PLP. So, if PLP is absent, when it is absent? During vitamin B6 deficiency. What happens? Homocysteine cannot be converted into cystathionine. So, the level of homocysteine in our blood is increased. And the high level of homocysteine in our blood is correlated with myocardial infarction. Okay, myocardial infarction. Therefore, this vitamin B6 is used in clinical practice to prevent coronary artery disease in hyperhomocystinemia. In which condition this coronary artery disease happens? During hyperhomocystinemia. Okay. Heme synthesis. ALA synthase is a PLP dependent enzyme. And this is the rate limiting step in heme biosynthesis. Okay, which enzyme? ALA synthase is a PLP dependent enzyme. And if this B6 is deficient, this leads to anemia. You understood? B6 is deficient, there is no heme synthesis. It will lead to anemia. Production of niacin, that is vitamin B3. For the conversion of tryptophan into niacin, vitamin B6 is needed. We have studied niacin, that is vitamin B3 is produced from tryptophan. So, for the conversion of this tryptophan into niacin, vitamin B6 is needed. Glycogenolysis. Here, phosphorylase enzyme convert glycogen into glucose 1-phosphate. And this, for the action of this phosphorylase enzyme, PLP is needed. PLP is a coenzyme for this enzyme. Which enzyme? Phosphorylase enzyme. Now we can study vitamin B6 deficiencies. Neurological manifestations. In B6 deficiency, we have studied PLP is the active form of B6. This PLP is a coenzyme for many enzymes. So if B6 is absent, what happens? These PLP dependent enzymes won't function properly. As a result, serotonin, epinephrine, noradrenaline and GABA do not produce. So in B6 deficiency, neurological symptoms are very common. And this PLP is also involved in the synthesis of sphingolipids. And if PLP is absent or its deficiency lead to demyelination of nerves. This sphingolipids is associated with nerve membrane. So if this sphingolipid synthesis is not happening, what happens? This will lead to demyelination of nerves and this will result in peripheral neuritis. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.